Hi, this is John with WTI. And for me to keep the house clean and sanitized and disinfected is really important. So this is where this OxiClean disinfectant comes into place. And as I have a little dog, I try not to use bleach at all. And this disinfectant is bleach free. So this is something that I directly like from this. It comes into a solution that is like this spray that I can just go into counters or different places I just want to clean. And I just have this easiness that I know that I'm using a high quality product. And it comes actually with a scent. This is a fresh scent that is not just cleaning, but at the same time, it's adding some nice odor of freshness that you may have in your house. And if you're just receiving people around, you just know that your environment is clean. But the good thing is that you know that you once you're going to your house, you just have a nice place that is clean, that is sanitized, and you're trying to stay as healthy as possible. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.